I'm Ron Reeves, the proud father of the bride. I want to thank you all so much for being here today. It means more to you, to us, not to you, more to me than you can imagine. God, see, if I look at her, I screw up. I swore earlier I wouldn't cry. I lasted 2 seconds. So here's the toast to the new Mr. and Mrs. Levine, to a life of wonderful love, laughter, and adventure that I know they'll have. Cheers.
How do you feel?
I'm terrified. I'm excited.
Okay.
Yeah. How are you?
Same.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, you ready to do this?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Well, welcome again to this unbelievable day, here to celebrate Jacob and Jennifer's union. It was Jen's humor, kindness, and curiosity and thirst for learning about Jacob's life and his family that won me over immediately. I mean, how brave do you have to be to walk into a 40-some person Levine Thanksgiving where most everybody's completely nuts? The Levine family would call that having chutzpah, but I think in Texas you just say that's cojones.
So you notice they've got many of the same traits: working hard, focusing on friends, and adventures. Indeed, Jake and Jen have several things in common, including cherishing their family and friends. I've seen the way that Jake looks at Jen, and I know he will cherish her as much as we always have. It thrills me beyond belief that my baby has found the love of her life. You just look lovely. Just beautiful dress, beautiful dress.
God, I've only seen you cry like twice, I think.
Well, the first time you were being born, so
Yeah.
you didn't remember that, yeah.
I think I can speak for everybody in my family that I knew this was the beginning of them ending up together. There simply hadn't ever been a version of Jacob this giddy, this charmed, this excited, and so totally head over heels for someone.
Oh my God. Am I allowed to kiss you?
I don't know.
You look amazing.
People say, I think, oh, little did he know he would end up with Jen, but I think he knew the entire time. The way he would talk about her, the way that he would look at her was something truly different.
I, Jacob, take you, Jennifer, to be my wife.
I, Jen, take you, Jacob, to be my husband.
My constant friend, my faithful partner, this day forward.
In the presence of our family and friends.
I offer my solemn vow to be your forever partner.
In sickness and in health.
In good times and in bad.
In joy as well as sorrow.
And I promise to love you unconditionally.
To love one who loves you to admire one who admires you. To respect one who respects you is the exceeding limit of human joy. It's stealing fire from heaven, and that is something that you two have done. You've stolen fire from heaven, and you will use its glow to warm one another and your family for years to come. So, in keeping with tradition, please stomp the glass. Now, it's my pleasure to say, please kiss the bride.
With the disco ball above us, shooting light into the galaxy. For a moment we were home in this town. They told us only play the hits, 'cause we'll need a soundtrack as we wander through the barren west. And I felt we weren't alone in this life. Despite this crowded plastic echo chamber, mumbling along till half light. Slide the fader up and down. We love and hate the feedback loop that's shrieking on that comforts you. Why bother contradict? We'll melt down. Dancing queen, young and sweet, with the disco ball above us, shooting light into the galaxy. For a moment we were home in this town. They told us only play the hits, 'cause we'll need a soundtrack as we wander through the barren west. And we knew we weren't alone in this life.